Ha kajingyalang jong ka Senate Armed Services Subcommittee ha kanong ba Washington kalami kajingkulwar kabajur hadin ba way ubri ubala itu kum umakjinis ulakren pad ba persya ya kabenta jong kari Amerika hakatma kabaukenno ba kadai tang na kabenta kari Israel. Ha kajingkren kabashit rahem ulaong ba ka Amerika kam dai ban pha ya kikon chenrang bat kenthei jong kari ban le yakun tma na kabenta kawai pat kari. Ulapan pauru bakat kum kajing sngo jong u bon na kisong nong snong kim sngau tanat bandon benta ha kani kajingale kani kajingkren kalawan ra kajingkulmar ha kajaka jingyalang ha kawalayo iru ya kajingya kini bat jingya kajia ha paling kibriu kibadon ha kani kajingyalang ha kawai pat kabenta jong ka video lapen i ya kajingja kabalakenno ba wei u senator jong ka United States ulapen mensau ya kakti jong wei pat umarin ha kapor balami kajingya kanat katkum kajingkenno na kibadon ha kani kajaka laong ba kakti jong uni umarin kala sakut ha kajingya ki bat jingya kini ha kajing kulmar hadu menta ompat shem ladon kajing penchai pat ba kapamania na kaliang kibor badai kmi halor kani kajingja kala penmi jingya kren bat jingya tai pat ba halor kabenta jong ka Amerika ha kajingya le thama shabari batru halor kajinglong jingman ha kajingya lang sorkar.
Israel is the reason for this war. America does not want to fight this war for Israel. Let's go. Come on, let's go. America does not want to send its sons and daughters to war for Israel. Your inability to name that shows your ineptness as leaders. This is wrong. And nobody wants to fight for Israel.
A reminder to all our
Commandant, please stand up as a Marine and stand up for America. No one wants to fight for Israel. No one wants to fight for Israel.
His hand. Oh, his hand.
Sir. Let go of your hand. Let go of the door. Let go of the door. Can you
The senator broke his hand. A sitting U.S. senator just broke the hand of a Marine.
Sir. Okay.
Control your Senate.
We're stuck in the door. Okay, sir.
A U.S. senator just broke the hand of a Marine.
Hands stuck.